In the last lesson, we learned how to compare fractions and how to find LCM. Today, we will learn addition and subtraction of fractions. We know fractions are basically of two kinds, like fractions and unlike fractions. So here we start by discussing like fractions. For adding and subtracting like fractions, we simply add or subtract their numerators and write denominator as such. Here 2 by 5 and 7 by 5. These are examples of like fraction since they have the same denominator, that is 5. If we wish to add these two fractions, what we do is we add their numerator 2 plus 7 and write the denominator 5 at the bottom as such. 2 plus 7 gives us 9 and denominator is 5. So the answer becomes 9 by 5. So this was about how to add like fraction. Let's take one more example. We take 15 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Now 15 by 3 and 4 by 3 are again like fractions. So we are simply gonna add the numerators 15 plus 4 at the top and write the denominator 3 as such. So 15 plus 4 gives us 19 and 3. So 19 by 3 is the answer in this particular case. So this was about addition of like fractions. Now subtraction of like fraction is also done the same way. We can understand it by taking example for subtraction as well. So here we are taking 15 by 3 minus 4 by 3. So this time we are subtracting 4 by 3 from 15 by 3. So we have to subtract the numerator now. So 15 minus 4 by 3 gives us 11 by 3. Let's take one more example for subtraction. That is 11 by 17 minus 9 by 17. So we write 17 as such at the bottom and we subtract 9 from 11. So we get here 2 by 17 in the answer. So this was about addition and subtraction of like fractions, which is quite simple. We simply add or subtract its numerator and write the denominator as such. Second scenario can come up where we are supposed to add and subtract unlike fractions. So in such cases, what we do is we convert the unlike fraction into like fraction first. In our earlier lessons, we have seen that whenever we are dealing with unlike fractions, if we convert them into like fractions, the calculations become simple. So we are taking unlike fractions here, 3 by 4 and 1 by 5. Let's take this as an addition example. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 5. How do we add that? If we have to convert them into like fractions, we need the LCM first. So LCM for 4 and 5 is equal to 20. Now the next step comes where we have to change them into their equivalent forms with denominator equal to the LCM. So 3 by 4 gives us 15 by 20 and 1 by 5 gives us 4 by 20. We have an addition sign here. So once we have the like fractions, since these are the like fractions now, what we do? We simply add its numerator. So 15 plus 4 divided by 20. So this gives us 19 by 20. So this was example for addition of unlike fraction. Now let's take another example for subtraction of unlike fraction. So example here is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 8. LCM for 4 and 8 comes out to be 8, and then we convert them into their equivalent fraction form. So 3 by 4 will give us 6 by 8 and 1 by 8 remains as such since its denominator was already equal to the LCM and we have a subtraction sign in between. Since these are like fractions, we can subtract the numerators. So here we do 6 minus 1 by 8, which is equal to 5 by 8. So from these examples, we have understood how to add or subtract like fraction and also how to add or subtract unlike fraction. So now we can move on and solve some questions in order to have a better understanding of this topic. So in the first question, we have to subtract 3 2 by 7 from 4 1 by 5. To do that, we see that here both the fractions are in their mixed fraction form. First, we have to convert 4 1 by 5 into improper fraction form, so which is equal to 21 by 5. We do the same for 3 2 by 7. So when we convert 3 2 by 7, we get 23 by 7. Now when we look at these two fractions are unlike in nature and they need to be converted into like. For that we would need the LCM. LCM here comes out to be 35. Now when we convert these into their unlike forms, 21 by 5 gets converted to 147 by 35 and 23 by 7 gets converted to 115 by 35. Now let's look at these two fractions. These two fractions are like in nature. So we can write now 147 by 35 minus 115 by 35. So it's like fraction, so we can write 35 at the bottom and subtract 115 from 147, and that will give us 32. So we get 32 by 35 here. So this was solution to the part A. Now let's move on and do solution for part B, that is 7 plus 11 1 by 9. 7 is a whole number here, so we have to convert it into a fraction form. So we can simply write 7 by 1. And 11 by 9 is the mixed fraction, so we convert that into its improper form. That will be equal to 100 by 9, and the sign is plus in between. Now these two fractions are unlike fractions, need to be converted into like, so we find the LCM. LCM here is equal to 9. Now the next step comes where we convert them into their equivalent. 7 by 1 will give us 63 by 9, whereas 100 by 9 will remain as such since its denominator is already equal to 9. So since these are now converted into like form, what we can do is we add their numerators. So 63 plus 100 by 9, which is equal to 163 by 9. So we can write the answer in the form of improper fraction, or we can convert this into mixed fraction form. And if we do that, we have to divide 163 by 9, and what we get is here 18 1 by 9. So 18 1 by 9 is the mixed fraction form. We can write that also as our answer. So with this we have done the part A and part B of the question 1. Now we move on to the second question. The second question says that what should be added to 6 3 by 7? 6 3 by 7. What should be added to this particular fraction to get 9 1 by 5? Now if we look closely, we can subtract 6 3 by 7 from 9 1 by 5, and that will give us the answer. 9 1 by 5 minus 6 3 by 7 will give us our answer. So here these are mixed fractions. So the first step involves converting them into their improper fraction form. So the first one becomes 46 by 5, then a subtraction sign, and 6 3 by 7 becomes 45 by 7. Now these two are unlike in nature, so we need to convert that into like. For that we need the LCM. LCM is equal to 35 for 5 and 7. That is the denominator here. Now the next step comes where we have to convert these fractions into their equivalent fractions with denominator equal to the LCM. So 46 by 5 gives us 322 by 35, whereas 45 by 7 gives us 225 by 35. So subtraction sign in between. So these are like fractions. Once we have the like fractions, the next step would be simply subtracting the numerators. That will be 322 minus 225 in the numerator and 35 written as such. So 322 minus 225 gives us 97 by 35. So this is our answer. So this is how we solve questions related to addition and subtraction of like and unlike fractions. Let's take one more example here. The third question says that Aditya bought 4.5 kg of mangoes and 4 kg of grapes. What is the total weight of fruits purchased by him? Now to find the total weight of the fruits purchased by him, we have to add 4.5 and 4 kgs. So for this, we have to first convert the mixed fraction into its improper form. That will be 9 by 2. And the whole number, which is 4, into a fraction form, that will be 4 by 1. Now these two here are unlike fractions. And to convert them into like, we need the LCM. LCM is equal to 2. Now what we do is, we convert this into their equivalent forms. So 9 by 2 will remain as such since its denominator is equal to the LCM already. And then we keep the sign of addition and we write 8 by 2. So we get 9 plus 8 by 2 because this fraction is a like fraction. So we add the numerator and write the denominator as such. So answer to this is 17 by 2. So 17 by 2 is the total weight that Aditya is carrying right now when he bought 4.5 kg of mangoes and 4 kg of grapes. Now there is another part to this question that says, on his way back home, he gave away 1 by 3 kg of fruits to an orphanage. Now since we see the term gave away, it means that we have to subtract 1 by 3 from the total weight. And the total weight is what? 17 by 2. So now what we will do is, we will subtract. So we write 17 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Or we can write this as 17 by 2 minus 4 by 3. These are unlike in nature, and to convert them into like, we need the LCM. LCM is equal to 6 in this case. So once we convert these fractions into their equivalent forms so that their denominator is equal to the LCM, from 17 by 2 we get 51 by 6, and for 4 by 3 we get 8 by 6. So we subtract now 8 by 6 from 51 by 6. And since these are like in nature, what we do is, we simply subtract the numerator 51 minus 8 and write the denominator as such, that is 6. So 51 minus 8 gives us 43 by 6. 43 by 6. So this can be written in the fraction form by division. 43 by 6 is equal to 7 1 by 6. So 7 1 by 6 is the weight that Aditya is carrying after donating to the orphanage. So that is 7 1 by 6 kg of fruits he is carrying after donating to the orphanage. So this is our answer. So with this we come to the end of this particular lesson, where we learned how to add or subtract like fractions and also how to add or subtract unlike fractions. So once we have learned this, in the next lesson we will move on and talk about multiplication of fractions, and we will also learn about concept of using of.